Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with your sales tip of the week. Today we live in a world where everyone expects things on an immediate basis. We want instant results from everything we do, and waiting is no longer acceptable in our internet-driven world. If you feel that way about your sales career, you will probably be disappointed when things don't go that way. Building a successful career in the car business takes patience, and the ones that are most successful are usually built one customer at a time. In most dealerships, there is at least one salesperson who spends most of their time serving customers who come back every time they or someone they know is in the market for a car. They rarely walk the lot looking for new customers because they spend so much time writing up new deals for the customers they already have. They don't rush around in a panic trying to make something happen, and their customers don't mind waiting if they happen to show up unannounced and their salesperson is already working with someone else. These kinds of customer relationships are built one at a time, and they are the ones that, over time, make for a highly successful and lucrative career in this business. Buying a car from this salesperson is like visiting an old friend you trust, and haggling to get the bottom line price is rarely part of the equation. Don't make the mistake of expecting instant gratification or creating great and lasting success in the next deal you do. Like the old proverb says, steady plodding brings prosperity. The key to long-term success is building a solid customer base, a base of customers who will only consider you for their car purchasing needs. The best way to do that is to become your customer's automotive liaison. Call them every 6 months and remind them of the importance to do an oil change and tire rotation. Just consider if you did this with every customer you sold a car to for the next 5 years, how many of them would return to buy another car or recommend you to a friend, family member, or coworker? It would be a lot. So take your time and treat every customer as though they were your friends for life, and you won't have to worry about making your career a great success. Your long list of loyal customers will do that for you. Well, that's it for this week's sales tip, and don't forget that we are your best source for any training needs you have to keep you on track with the success you want to achieve in this business. Good luck, everyone, and I'll see you all next week with another sales tip.